Did I hit record? Yes. Hey, do y'all enjoy fishing out at your local lakes or out camping or whatever, but you get tired of sitting on the ground? I got something sent to me that will help fix this problem. This is from Vibmo. It's a camping chair, but it swivels too. Let's get it opened up, put together, and check it out. Kind of windy out here today. Looks like it comes in a nice carrying case. There's your user manual here. It tells us how to put it together. It says it's 23.6 inches across the back. It sets up off the ground 16.1 inches. And from the front to the back is 23.6 inches. And it is 29.5 inches tall. Okay, we got that part right. Now it says to extend the two front arms until the spring-loaded buttons lock into place. Okay, there's a little pin right there. It'll pop out. Just like that. And there. And there, that one's a little harder to pull out once you have all these other ones out, but that's a good thing. Look at that. It has an optional carrying bag that you can hook onto the side, it looks like. Okay, I guess you can hook this onto the sides. Okay, it's over on this side. There's little hooks right here. Be good to put your phone in or anything you don't want to leave laying on the ground, or take a chance on forget leaving it laying on the ground when you leave the area. It is windy. Not quite sure what this one is. It says optional. Attach the ground sheet when using on sand or soft ground. Okay, I guess this is to help it from sinking in. You can hook this onto the feet down here like this. Have it something like that. Keep you from sinking in, I guess. And now for the real test. Let's see how easy it is to get in and out of. Oh, look at that, it swivels. Oh, that's not bad. Can swivel around. Lay back, do a little fishing. The only issue I have with it is there is no padding. Okay, after I got home and editing the video, I noticed something that I did not see out there earlier today. I had this down like that. So your rear end was on the metal right here. Now, in all fairness, I wanted to go back and add this part of the video in because it really makes a big difference. I did not notice that you can slide these on out. It's a little stiff and a little hard to pull out, but it's got a second section to slide out. And when it slid out, you are plenty clear right there. And this chair is a lot more comfortable. Let me tell you, I'm very pleased with it now. Yes. I will give it a double thumbs up now. If you're out camping, out fishing, doing whatever it is you're doing, and you don't want to sit on the ground, this would be nice to have. The cool thing is it does swivel. I just wish it had a little padding in the seat. There it is. This is the camping chair by Videbone. Hey, I am Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.